of all true learning. Means what? Mehdi English School, thought of the day, presented for our children. Change is the end result of all true learning. Whatever you learn positively, whatever good things you learn in future, if you apply the changes in your life to the positive way, will be ending with a good result. તમને ફ્યુચરમાં એનું ગુડ રિઝલ્ટ પોઝિટિવ મળે. Are you getting my point? If you had if you had true learning, if you get real education, if you learn everything positive in positive way, positive manner, and if you apply that in a positive mode towards future, while changing your things, if you are having any difficulties, if you are having any error, if you try to change and accept that concept, that is the true result of learning. Are you getting? Acceptance is the most important thing for applying the change. Any doubt, girls? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. Now we are in exercise 4.3, sorry, 4.4. Question number 1 we completed. This question we completed. I gave you the equations, how to form an equation. I taught you, and you know how to solve that equation, right? All up to G we did this. All this sum we did yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Question number 2. Question number 2, please read this question. Who is going to read? Make it fast, girls. Hello? Hello?
Can I, Rabia?
Yes, Rabia.
Question number 2. Solve the following. A. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score?
Are you getting the concept? A teachers tell the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. That means highest mark શું છે જે lowest mark ના double plus 7. Are you getting? And the highest score is given 87. So let's suppose, can I write, let's suppose a lowest mark be, let suppose lowest marks be X marks. Okay. The highest mark will be what? Is twice of lowest. So 2x twice of lowest plus 7. Are you getting?
Yes.
समझ पड़ा છે કે नहीं? Which is 87. What is the equation you formed? The highest marks is 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. So lowest marks આપણે find કરવાનો છે. So lowest marks is what? What is the lowest marks here? Rabia?
X.
X. We don't know what is lowest marks. So if we solve this, 2x plus 7, અહીંયા હું solve કરું છું, okay? 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Now 2x is equal to 87 minus 7. So 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 upon 2. Is that clear? This 2 is in multiplication, so it will go towards division in transposing. That means moving towards right side. 2 ones are 2, 2 40s are 80. So what is the lowest marks? What is the lowest marks?
40.
40. Is that clear? Same way we have to solve sum number B and sum number C. See, sum number A, I am showing you. Let the lowest marks be L. It is written L. So 2 into lowest marks plus 7 is equal to highest marks. Yes or no? So 2 into lowest marks is what? Lowest marks is L. So 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. Now transposing 7 towards right side. So 2L is equal to 87 minus 7. 2L is equal to 80. Now divide both the sides. Both the sides ને એવું બધું નહીં કરવાનું. L is equal to 80 divided by 2 કરી નાખવાનું. You got
સર
L
તમે જે
equal to
મેથડ થી લખ્યું ઈ મેથડ થી લખીએ તો ચાલશે ને?
એ જ મેથડ યુઝ કરવાની છે બેટા. આગળ તમને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં આ જ મેથડ ડાયરેક્ટ મેથડ જ યુઝ કરવાની આવશે. બીજી કોઈ મેથડ
ઓકે
તમને નહીં આવે. This method only you will be applied. આ તમને ઇઝીલી શીખી લેવાની હાઉ ટુ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મ. આ બધાને ખબર પડી જ જાય કે અહીંયા ડિવાઈડ કરવાથી કઈ બધાને ખબર પડે એવું નથી. If you are transferring this, if it is in division form, if you are transferring beside multiplying form, yeah, બધા સર ટીચરને ખબર પડે કે you shifted one digit towards right side. Okay?
ઓકે.
Hello, question number 2. Come on, girls. Question number 2, please. Who is going to read? Girls,
Yes, sir.
read
In
kar
an,
beta.
in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember the sum
આપણે
of
આપણે રાબી આપણે સોલ્વ કર્યા છે ઇક્વેશનમાં સોલ્વ કર્યા છે એક્સરસાઇઝ 4.1 માં કે શાયદ let us check exercise 1 4.1 શાયદ સોલ્વ કરેલા છે શાયદ I am not sure.
હા કરેલા
છે જો check here. We formed an equation. Set up an equation in the following cases. We have to simply set up an equation. Exercise 4.1 question number 6 માં આપણે આ સમ જો છે આ સમ છે જોઈ લ્યો. જો અત્યારે રાબિયા જે રીડ કરે જ નહીં આ ફોર્થ વન છે અને આપણે ફર્સ્ટ જે સોલ્વ કર્યો ને ધ ટીચર્સ ટેલ્સ ધ ક્લાસ હાઈએસ્ટ માર્ક્સ વાળો થર્ડ સમ છે ને.
હા
હવે
તો સર બીજી વાર કરવાનું?
નહીં નહીં બીજી વાર કરવાનો છે because in that sum we are setting up an equation, along with that we are solving the equation. સમજ પડે છે? આપણે એમાં શું કરીએ છીએ બેટા? આપણે આમાં શું કરીએ છીએ? we are setting the equation and then we have to solve the equation. Okay, now what is the next? Remember the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. તો બધાને ખબર છે the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now let the base angle be B. Base angle be B. Okay, the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં girls?
Yes.
Isosceles triangle છે. Can I say this is a base angle? Base angle એટલે શું? બે equal angle. Girls, Can I say base angle is B? તો B આપણે ખબર નથી. What are the base angle? What is question written? See, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Base angle we don't know. That means isosceles means what? Two sides are equal and one is unequal. બરાબર કે નહીં?
Yes.
બરાબર? If two sides are equal, can I say two angles will be equal and one will be unequal?
Yes.
Okay, very good. ચલો હવે બે equal જે angle છે we don't know, that is said to be base angle. Let's suppose the base angle be B. We don't know what is B. What is the measure of B? The vertex angle is 40 degree. That means if I say this angle is formed as 40 degree. This angle we know that this is said to be 40 degree. It is given in the question. Sir, ઘરેથી કાંઈ લાવ્યા નથી. Is that clear? Now, what are the base angles of the triangle? That means we have to find the base angles of the triangle. Remember, what we have to remember, the sum of three angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. એટલે શું કહેવા માંગે છે કે આ ત્રણેયનો સમ 40 plus b plus 40 is always 180 degree. કેટલું હોય? કેટલું હોય? આ ત્રણેયનો સમ કેટલો હોય એંગલનો?
180.
180 degree. એની વગર ટ્રાયંગલ ફોર્મ થાય જ નહીં. If it is 179 or if it is 181, the triangle is not formed. Are you getting? So the total has to be 180 degree. So let's suppose the base angle be B. આપણે B નથી ખબર, so we have taken B as our base angle. Okay? તમે ABCD માંથી કંઈ પણ લઈ શકો. The sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is given in the hint also, and that is to be compulsory. Without this, the triangle is not formed. Never. So હવે શું આવે? ત્રણ એંગલ કયા છે? B છે plus B, because we have supposed B equal angles, plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. સમજાય છે girls? Abia? B
Yes.
plus B is equal to B plus 40 is equal to 180. So B plus B is 2B. 2B plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Equation is formed. 2B plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now let us solve the equation. 2B is equal to 180 minus 40. It is 140. Now 140 is what? 140 is for 2B. બંને B નું total 140 છે. So આપણે એક B નો જ find કરવાનું છે. Are you getting? So 140, this 2 will be shifted towards right side. 2 ones are 2, 2 70s are 140. So આ 1B 70, બીજું B કેટલું આવશે? 70. હવે ટોટલ કરો તો ત્રણેયનો 180 આવતો જ હોવો જોઈએ. આવે ને આવે જ. That means your sum is correct. 70 plus 40. Is that clear, girls? Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
આજે કેમ બધી સૂતી શરાબી એ લોકો? ચલો લાસ્ટ સમ જલ્દી રીડ કર બેટા. ચલો આ પણ કરેલો છે આપણે, આ થોડોક અલગ છે. ચલો કરો.
Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score?
Okay, Sachin scored twice as many as run as Rahul. Together there fell too short of 200 as a double century. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 200. આવું કંઈક આવતું હોય. I'm not sure. I have to check in this. Let us check the answer. Oh, okay. Sorry, my mistake. આવું ના આવે. Sorry. 2 runs short of double century. That means total is 198. એ બંનેનો total 198 છે. Now what is the question? Let me clear you. Sachin scored. Sachin scored what? Twice as many as run as Rahul. So Rahul no score જાણે કે 10 runs હોય તો સચિન નો કેટલો હોય? 20. Are you getting? Twice means what? Double. બરાબર ને? Rabia. So if
Yes.
Rahul's score is 50, Sachin's score will be 100. But we don't know what is the score of Rahul. So if Rahul's score is X, so Sachin's score is what? 2x. बराबर कि नहीं? Rahul's score is X. Sachin's score is what? Twice of Rahul. And together they both have double century. 2 runs short. That means 200 minus 2. સમજાય છે? That is written. Double century માં 2 run ઓછા. That means 198. Are you getting, girls? So all together, આ બંનેનો ટોટલ છે. આ બંનેનો ટોટલ. So can I write like this? 2x plus x is equal to 198, or x plus 2x also is correct. X plus 2x is 198. Any doubt here, girls? X કોનું છે? રાહુલનો સ્કોર છે. 2x is whom? Sachin score. હવે આ બંનેનો ટોટલ કેટલો થાય છે? That is what they have given. Together. What is the word used? Together they run. That means Rahul's score and Sachin's score together is 2 runs short of double century. That is 198. Is that clear? સમજાય છે, girls?
Yes.
Okay. So we will solve here, then we will tell you the answers with the given content. X plus 2x is equal to 198. So x plus 2x is 3x. Sorry. 3x is equal to 198. X is equal to 198. Now, x has to be found. So 198 x is equal to 198 upon 3. Okay? So 3 6s are 18. 1 year, again 3 6s are 18. 3 1s are 3. So x ની value કેટલી આવી? 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 1 year, 3 6s are 18. So what is the score of x? X is equal to 66 runs. Yes or no?
Yes.
So x કોની value છે? Rahul. So Rahul's score is 66 runs. Sachin's score is twice of it. So Sachin's score is 2 into x. Are you getting? So can I say that 62 into 66, which gives us 6 2s are 12, 132 runs for Sachin. Any doubt here? સચિનનો સ્કોર કેટલો આવ્યો? 132 રન્સ. રાહુલનો સ્કોર કેટલો આવ્યો? 66 રન્સ. સમજ પડી કે ના પડી, ગર્લ્સ? They asked us how many runs did each one score. એટલે આપણે રન્સ દેખાડવા જરૂરી છે. Are you getting? Check the answer here. Let's Rahul score be x. Therefore, Sachin score will be 2x because 2 into x. Rahul score plus Sachin score is equal to 200 minus 2. 2x plus x is equal to 198. 3x is equal to 198. So 3x, forget about this 3. Forget about this 3. X is equal to 198 upon 3. X is equal to 66. So Rahul's score is 66. Sachin's score is 2 into 66, which gives us 132. Any doubt, girls? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Rabia?
No.
Okay, so let us start with question number 3. ચલો આ પણ સોલ્વ કરેલો છે એક્સરસાઇઝ 4.1 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 અને ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 યાદ આવ્યું જો તો જો છે ક્વેશ્ચન એક્સરસાઇઝ 4.1 ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 6 માં question number 1 and a question number 2 jo question 1 if Irfan says 7 marbles more and Lakshmi's father's age is 49 years old dhyan give girls
Yes, sir.
dhyan paidu beta we already solved this equation hello hello
Yes, sir.
હા તો રીડ કરો ચલો
Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Permit have?
you have to solve this so let's suppose our permit marbles we don't know. But Irfan marbles, we know that he has 5 times Permit has plus 7. Are you getting? Irfan says that he has 7 more marbles. For example, if we take Rabia and Aisha, okay? Now Rabia is having આયશાને જેટલા જેટલા માર્બલ્સ છે આયશા પાસે એની કરતા રાબિયાને કેટલા વધારે છે 5 ટાઈમ્સ વધારે છે 5 ટાઈમ્સ વધારે છે એની સાથે 7 વધારે છે આર યુ ગેટિંગ Aisha is having 7 more Rabia is having 7 more marbles 7 માર્બલ્સ વધારે છે કેની કરતા તો કે 5 ગણા આયશાના પાસે જેટલા હોય એની કરતા ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આયશા is having 10 marbles okay so Rabia will be having what Rabia will be having what 5 times of Aisha that means 5 into 10 50 5 tens are 50 are you getting બરાબર plus 7 more so Rabia must be having what 57 marbles are you getting સમજ પડે છે girls are you getting this Rabia
Yes.
so Aisha is having X number of marbles. We don't know what is the number of marble Aisha has. In the same way, we don't know what is the number of marbles Permit has. Okay? So let's suppose Permit has X number of marbles. So Irfan must be having 5X, 5X plus 7 is equal to, can I say 37? The total what Irfan has. Now we have to check what is the number of marble Permit has. What we have to do, 5x is equal to 37. This plus 7 will be shifted towards next side, so it will be minus 7. Okay, now 5x is equal to 37 minus 7, 30. Now we have to find the value of x. X is equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So x is equal to 6 is the answer. Any doubt here, girls? So total, Parmit has 6 marbles and Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay? Okay, girls?
Yes.
Chalo, next sum. Chalo.
Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age?
Now in this, we know the total age of Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Okay? Now, એ કોની કરતા વધારે છે તો કે લક્ષ્મી's એજ કરતા વધારે છે તો બટ ઓબ્વિયસ છે તો લક્ષ્મી's એજ કરતા વધારે કેટલું છે તો કે 4 years older that means +4 કરવાનું છે on what 3 times of Lakshmi's age. So let's suppose Lakshmi's age must be y years. For example, we are taking y years. Okay? Lakshmi's age be y years. So his father's age is what? 3 times of Lakshmi's age. That means 3y plus 4, which gives us total 49 years. Are you getting? Girls?
Yes.
આપણે એક્સરસાઇઝ 4.1 માં કરી ચૂક્યા છે 3y plus 4 is equal to 49 years. Now we have to solve this to get Lakshmi's age. Y છે એ Lakshmi's age છે, so we have to find the value of y. So 3y is equal to 49. This plus 4 will go beside 49, so it will convert to -4. Now what is next? Next is 3y is equal to 49 minus 4 is 45. So we have to find the value of what? Y, right? So again, value of y will be y is equal to 45 divided by 3. If we calculate 45 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 15s are 45. So y is equal to 15 years. How many years Lakshmi's age is? 15 years. Okay, girls? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Let us check the answer. Let Lakshmi's age be x years. 3 into Lakshmi's age plus 4 her father age. 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. So after solving this, we get total x is equal to 15 years. Therefore, Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Is that clear? Is that clear? Rabia? આજે તને એકને જ પ્રેઝન્ટ મૂકવાની છે અમારે બાકી બધી
Yes.
સૂતી બલા છે. So let us put absent for all the girls for the day. Chalo, third question. Who is going to read? Sorry? મોદેસા કેમ આવો અવાજ છે? સૂતી છે હજી?
ના સર.
રીડ જલ્દી કર.
Yes. Question number 3. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit fruit trees, the number of non-fruit trees was 2 more than 3 times of numbers of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted? It the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77.
હવે શું કહે છે? People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Okay? Number of, now what they are saying, that some of the trees were fruit trees. Some of the trees were fruit trees. We don't know what is fruit trees. What are the number of fruit trees? Okay? The number of non-fruit trees was 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. Let's suppose fruit trees must be x, so non-fruit trees are 2 more. That means 2 more એટલે આમાં 2 add થશે 3 times of a non-fruit trees, that is 3x plus 2. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the non-fruit trees planted is 77? So equation is 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Now we have to check what are the number of non-fruit trees planted. Sorry, what was the number of fruit trees planted? So fruit trees is x number. So 3x is equal to 77. This plus 2 shifted towards right side, so it is converted to minus 2. So 3x is equal to 75. So x is equal to 75 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 1 here, 3 fives are 15. So x is what? 5. So total fruit trees કેટલા હતા? X is equal to 25. So what was the total fruit trees? Girls, what is the answer we got?
Yes, sir. Answer we got as x is equal to 25.
So total number of fruits trees were 25. Chalo, last question we will do in our next lecture. Question number 4. Okay, girls? Do complete all the sums, all the exercise in your fair book. Our almost 99.99% chapter is over. Only last question is left. After that, our FA2 portion is over. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Have a nice time.
Bye, sir.